Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, January 3rd, the first trading day of 2022, and the resolution that you made for this year, your New Year's resolution, was to become a better trader, right? So let me help you get started with that. Starting out the day, as I do every day, is looking at the day's economic calendar to see if there is going to be any announcements that are going to be market moving. And today there are two announcements, neither one of which are going to have any impact on moving the market. Then after looking at the economic calendar, I look at the morning news. I use CNBC. You can use any news source you prefer. And all flags today are in the green. Remember, it's the first trading day of the year, and the market typically wants to start off the beginning of the year on a positive note. And also it's a Monday, and so all flags are in the green. Now, where is the S&P Emini going to trade today? That's the big question. Well, we can get a hint by looking at its companion, or not companion, but its similar doppelganger in the European markets, and that's the Stoxx 600. The Stoxx 600 is the closest thing that Europe has to the S&P 500. So the Stoxx 600 was up early in the day, and it closed the day up 3.4 points, which, and remember, we're looking at an index that's 1/10 the size of the S&P E-mini, so that could translate into 30 points on the E-mini. But nevertheless, that index opened up at the low of the day, closed at the high of the day. So if we can get a hint from that, we could see a similar trading session today in the S&P. Now moving to our S&P E-mini chart, and I have the chart open here, and this is the trading zone. This was my trading zone for Friday, the last day of 2021, and the trading zone was pretty flat, basically stayed at the close of Thursday. This was the close of Thursday, and the market stayed around that level until it fell off at 3:30 late in the day before bouncing back as when the market opened. Now, today, January 3rd, the market, right now it's about 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. The market is trading up here. The E-minis were traded up here at 47.85. The close on Friday was 47.58, so we're trading 30 points above this close on Friday, so there's a 30-point gap. Likely that this gap is going to close a bit before the market opens, or maybe fully before the market opens, and if not, it might close. But nevertheless, again, taking a cue from the Stoxx 600, we might see a day where the market goes off to the races at the open and doesn't look back. Anyway, remember your resolution, become a better trader in 2022. I'm Marv Eisen, and I'll help you trade. Check out my trading course at timelessdollar.com, my E-mini trading course, that is, and you'll get a lot of great information on how to become a better trader and what to look for when you do trade. This is Marv Eisen. Thanks for watching. Welcome to 2022. We look forward to a great year. Remember, use a lot of patience when you trade, and I'll see you in my next video.